My country people, welcome back to my channel today. Angel fans don come out come mock her after Soma recent reaction to their breakup, and also Racheal and Phyna don come out come give their 2 cents about marriage. So of recent, Racheal come out come talk something about marriage and how e take dey wrong to dey married to the wrong person or the wrong family. So she come say marrying the wrong partner or marrying into the wrong family, I don't know which one is worse. Phyna come out come tell am say marrying into the wrong family. My dear, to me I believe say na marrying the wrong person, because even if you marry into the wrong family, na the fact say the man, the things wey be say e tell im family na im dey go take dey look you, because dem no fit just come dey hate you ordinarily like that. If na person wey be say dey always talk good things about you, I no see reason why be say dem no go like you. So to me, I believe say na marrying the wrong man na im go fit destroy person life. So unto Angel matter with Soma, few days ago Soma come out come edit the birthday message wey be say e do for Angel on her 24th birthday. Dis na the message, and una see the edit for there, remove the I love you baby or whatever. So people come dey laugh am say Soma na mumu right from time, say im leave a serious relationship for 5 years go follow Angel wey be say no get shame. So make I just read some of the comments. So as dem dey insult Soma, dem dey insult Angel. Angel go come out to come reply them, and also Soma don come out come reply them too. So I go first read Angel reply her banter with the fans before I go read Soma own. So Angel come out come say, you guys have been bullying me since 2021 for no reason. Even the things you guys accuse me of are untrue. I still haven't said a word. You don't like me. I have heard. I'm a bad girl. I have heard. Honestly, shut the F up with. Even if we broke up. So, if that was the case, did you see us dragging ourselves online? You people are in relationship you can only tell God about, and you have the audacity. Idiash. So the first person here come laugh, come say, I think what they are trying to say is that he left his relationship for someone that's still in the street for now. It was never your fault. It's his. We all know, say you be rolling stone. And so Angel come reply and come say, it's always those God created before he said, let there be water, and was severely dehydrated that have the most to say. Mind the business that pays you if you have it. Another person come say, Soma edited his birthday message for his wife. Lie, this won't happen on my watch. Come put plenty laughing emoji. So another person come put another laughing emoji. Come say, anywhere they are laughing at this foolish boy, they refer to Soma. They refer to Soma as foolish boy. Come say, I shall be there. Imagine leaving your serious relationship for Angel. Come put another serious laughing emoji. Come say, let me confirm their breakup. So Angel come reply and come say, now listen here, flat face. I'm so tired of you waka delusional beefish talking about nothing you know about. Leave us alone and focus on improving your perfume sales. Idiot. So another person can say, you're actually not the prettiest person in a room to be coming for someone's face like that, sha. Then Jeko reply and can say, at least my ugly face minds his business. Can't say the same for you all that are the prettiest in the room, bozo. Angel come come again. Angel 24/7. Even when I'm minding my business, another person come laugh. The person come laugh, come put LOL, come say, and you go dey call yourself feminist, laugh at like I don't blame you. To be honest. So Angel come reply and come say, cause she's such a feminine for insinuating that I'm too much of a hoe to be in a relationship. Better go and rest. So after Angel fight with people wey be say they no wan allow her rest for this breakup, Soma come at you because people don dey insult Soma since, say na very foolish boy. So make I read wetin Soma come reply. So Soma come say, nobody reach to dey tension me. Oya make una face front. If you are looking something to drag, kindly locate the tiger generator in your backyard. To be honest, I don't know, sister, say once a relationship break, for dis Big Brother Naija fan base, dey take am personal because they don invest their money for that particular relationship. That's why they dey vex. So I no fit fault dem. When Soma and Angel dey collect shippers money, dey chop, dey happy, dem no know say once they break up, problem go dey. So two of dem go gats manage wetin dey see. Till tomorrow I go still dey talk am say na God save Adekunle. E own for worse. Adebimpe e try and collect any shippers money. E own for worst. Both Angel, both Soma, both Somje shippers, all of una go dey alright. Una take care. Una bye.